Hi everybody, I'm going to take the scariness about the kids makeup out of the way. It's very easy. You're gonna start with liquid foundation, any foundation that you guys have, and just apply something like this much and just really use your fingers. Of course you're gonna wash and disinfect and sanitize and everything, but I normally have like a lot of freckles. And sometimes I go twice. Other than that, you're good so far and ready to start. This is the palette that we chose. It's very affordable. Look for the information on the comments. And pretty much again, sanitized. Notice the color is this color right here. Okay, the second one from the top. After that, you're gonna take the brick color, this one right here. Put it over here. Don't worry if you make a mistake. I'm just showing the point. That is very easy to blend like that. Then you're gonna take the burgundy again, kind of go on the bottom. You will go again with this color, the peach color, and we're just gonna go around like that. Around, one more time. You're done. You are done. This is pretty much everything that you need. And then for the eyebrows, you're just gonna pass. I already have my eyebrows done how I would expect the kids to have it. But I'm just showing. Like if I didn't have it already done, I would spread out the color evenly, following the natural shape of the kids' eyebrow. And then for like the eyelashes, these are the size of eyelashes that I recommend. I'm just like sticking them in my hand so that you can see. You can see by the size of my ring in my finger or by the size of my nail, they're not very big. So basically, the eyeliner is optional. Other than that, I take the product. Put very little actually. When you put a lot, that's when it becomes a problem. Okay, so now just basically fold and release. So sometimes I go like this to spread it out evenly, and then hold and release. And pretty much your child is ready as far as eyes go. And it looks very natural from far away especially. And then the rest of it will be don't want it to be very thick as if it was for us when we go out with our husbands or significant others. We just want it to be a little bit actually like transparent. You can even take, before it dries, you can take a tissue paper and blot it out so that it's more transparent and it's non-transferable. So pretty much that's it. This is what you want them to look like. Even though it may look like this, oh my god, that's a lot of color, believe me, when you are in the light, in the sunlight and everything, or in a theater or wherever you're gonna be, this is nothing. Like, it's gonna blend away and they're just gonna look very, very, very natural, surprisingly, I promise. So that's it. Not a lot to it. I made a purpose to make it the makeup with my fingers so that you can see that you don't have to be a professional. You have to just kind of like layer the colors. And as I said, the colors were this peach one first, and then this one right here, and then this one right here. And because you're gonna mess up a little bit, then you put again the peach one on the top, just to kind of like even out the top over here, and then take a blender brush, and that's it. Voila. So if you have any questions, please leave the questions here in the comments on Instagram and or in YouTube, and I will answer the comments right away. I'm just gonna be checking the Instagram and see if anybody has questions. This same look can be done for anything, for yellow tones, for purple tones, for blue, for green. It's very simple, it's very practical for us moms who have to take care of the kids and get them ready, and the hair and everything. So I just wanted to ease your mind and show you how easy it is. So thank you, and I look forward to reading your questions in the comments.